In this video, I'll be telling you guys how to use hooks in the Claude Code. So the process is very simple. Just open up the Claude Code. You are inside of a session. Use the slash command, use hooks, and there will be a lot of hooks that you guys can use. So based on what sort of procedure you are going to use, for example, hooks are something that happens after event happen. So if a session stops right before Claude concludes its response, you guys can put a hook to stop and tell you the details, and you can add the description inside of it and everything that you want to do. So this is something that you guys can do, and once you have put this session in, you guys can always do it while using the slash command, then hooks, and then select the hook that you want to use. So that's pretty much it for the video. See you in the next.